Alright, YouTube, we got two packages in the mail. This one, I kind of know what it is. It's from Stylecraft. This should be interesting. This one right here, though, is from Elite Clipper Modifications. I already opened it, and I guess it's a bracket. It's a bracket to where you could basically use this back piece right here, this back piece. You could put this on this trimmer right here, the FX3s. And basically, you could use any, the regular blades you could use for this right here instead of having this big old wide tooth blade that they have on here. So that's a good modification. Shout out to, he actually wrote me a letter. Let me read it here. Use this bracket only for the FX3s. You can use graphite, DC, DLC, FX, a bunch of numbers. Basically any FX series blade. Love your positive energy. Thanks again. His Instagram is right here. His name is right here. Make sure you follow him. The link will be in the description. But let's get into what I'm really here for, and that's the Stylecraft. I want to say trimmers. If it's not the trimmers, I'm doing all this. If it's not the trimmers, I'm gonna be so upset. I'm gonna have to use George. I'm gonna have to use George's. In the world? No. Womp, 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 womp. But hey, I appreciate it nevertheless. But come on, man. Here. Oh my goodness. You want these? Alright. You guys, I thought it was these. I thought I was getting these. Stylecraft, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? I gotta show you guys what I got again. They sent me these. They sent me these. Listen, I appreciate it. Don't get me wrong. I don't want to sound like I'm not appreciative of the stuff that y'all sent me. But why come I can't get these? This is what I thought it was, all right? This is what I thought it was. These apparently hit. These apparently hit hard, all right? Stylecraft, hit me up, man. Do something. Make this right. Where is it? Make it right, Stylecraft. Come on, you hear what's playing in the background. This is sad right now. I appreciate this. I'm gonna be honest, I do. I got a lot of these. Stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, we are back. Listen. It's the reason why he's laughing. It's the reason why he's laughing and he's laughing.
Look at this.
It's the reason why they're laughing. Let me give you the backstory, okay? They're not about to play me. Just know. They're not about to play me. I was on lunch. George called me, okay? He called me. Oh, you got another package in the mail. You got another package, okay? Came back, it was two packages here, hold on. It was packages like that. I found it strange that two packages like this will be on, they should have just left it on the stand, on the desk. They should have just left it on the desk. But instead, they want to leave it right here so I can open it right now and do this. Now, I looked at this and it seemed kind of strange. It seemed a little too shiny on the top. So I peeled it back. Let's give it a little peel back here. Hold on. I peeled it back, and what do I find? Two pieces of tape. You have this tape, and you have this tape right here. So what I'm guessing is that I didn't have a package at all. This is the same package, and they put the shavers, because I can't find the shavers right now. They put the shavers back in here, and they wanted to do another reaction. They was on top. Play me, and the reason why they're laughing right now.
Guys, this sounds good. Yeah,
so let's see. I'm suspecting this is supposed to be trimmers. This is supposed to be Stylecraft sending me the trimmers that I really wanted. Let's see. Just know that they're not about to play me. Why are you turning red? Why are you turning red? Why are you turning red? There's no need to turn red. There's no need to lie.
It's hot in here.
No need to turn red, and then there's no reason to lie.
I react. I won't watch my 30 things, bro.
I know what it is. I know what it is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I knew it. I knew it. They were not trying to. Y'all trying to play me. They trying to play me. I won't have it. I won't have it. Who did this? Who did this? Memo.
Bro, nah.
Memo.
Bro, dude, what?
Come on, fess up. Fess
Bro,
up.
I'm not
George.
I'm not that person, bro.
Oh my
You know what I'm saying?
God.
I ain't a snitch.
Oh my God.
Hey, nah, for real, did they send it? Here, you can have this one. You can have it.
Oh, they really? Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me see. Is that a real package?
Yeah.
It's a real package. It's mine or yours? This ain't got no name on it.
Just open it.
Just open it.
Okay, it do got my name on it. It do got my name on it. It do got my name on it. Hold on, y'all. This is looking like we're redeemed right now. It's looking like we're redeemed right now. I'm kind of happy about it. I'm actually kind of... Let's go! Let's go! Yes, indeed, we got it. We got it! Yes. They tried to play me, but I ended up getting played altogether anyway. Yeah. Yes. We got it in, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Gamma came through. Stylecraft, y'all came through. Appreciate it. Shout out to y'all. Just when I was dissing y'all, just when I thought y'all was about to play me with them shavers, y'all came and redeemed yourselves in the same day. Appreciate it. I'm out.
Look at those wavy.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Alright YouTube, so the first thing you need to do before cutting a waiver is comb the hair out. The reason why combing the hair out is so important is that it lifts the hair off the scalp, therefore making it easier for the hair to feed into the teeth of the blade. Also, it gives comfort to the client knowing that you know the direction in which his hair is going in. So my client wanted it wavelength on top, basically a 1.5. Now that is not the length for everyone, but for his texture, a 1.5 is considered a wavelength. So I'm put on my one guard with the lever fully open, and using my Indus Masters, I'm going with the grain of my client's pattern, making sure I go slow so I don't get into any calyx or anything that can, plug my client. So if you've been paying attention, I did not go with the 1.5 near my client's crown area. I'll always make sure I go a guard size higher. So I went with a number 2 with the lever fully open, and I'm just going around my client's crown. My client wanted a high taper, so right now I'm using my Babyliss Skeleton FX trimmers to set in my bald line. Now I'm doing it straight. I'm not gonna add any bend to it because as a waver, we wanna keep as much waves at the shoreline as possible. Next step, with my cordless fast feeds with the lever fully open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I go over the guidelines multiple times to ensure that it's at that length. thing with the one guard with the lever open, going up about a ½ inch, going over the guideline multiple times, brushing the hair down to ensure that it's at that length. Now putting on the zero guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now this is a different motion that you need to take. A flick out is different from setting in a guideline. A flick out is a quick 1-2, 1-2. All right, make sure you use that motion and start below the line, flick to the line. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, same thing you did with the zero guard, same motion. Flick out that bottom line, flick below the line to the line, and make sure you brush the hair down. Use your corners at all times. So lastly, this is the most important part, me personally, that I feel to the blend, is detailing your work. All right, this is where you look at the mirror. The mirror gives you a different perspective on the blend that you can't just see head on. All right, so make sure you utilize that. Go back over areas where you use those guards to set in the guidelines. Make sure you use your corners to debulk those little small areas, and don't be afraid to, get a bigger guard just like I'm doing right now, and kind of debulk the top and, start all over as far as like, rebuilding the blend. Now as far as the back goes, I use the same exact steps that I use on my sides. So for me, the back is a lot more easier because there's a lot more room to work with. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My Instagram is 360Jeezy and my TikTok is official 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.